How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here. Back with another video, back with another taste test. This is an audience request. Some months ago, was it a year? I don't know. I'll put it'll pop up on the screen. I did a taste test of the Oreo's regular cereal, the one from back in the day. And I remember I had bought it from online and it was a little suspect whether it was expired or not. It was expired, but I still ate it and it was fine. This one, let me see. May 2019, we good. I got it from Walmart. So new to me, it's probably been out for a while. Golden Oreo O's. Is this a dream? Golden crunchy O's with a rich cream coating combined to bring that golden Oreo cookie taste you love to your breakfast table. Look at all the cereals they have. I did not know they had what's that, Chips Ahoy one? That one kind of stands out to me. Vanilla wafers, I mean, come on, I'm black, so of course I like banana pudding. Hey, just saying, every cookout. Let's get some roach protection here. I don't have them, but like I don't have neighbors. You know, they be smelling. So this keeps it from going out to the floor, and then when I leave, turn lights out, they be like, and I hear that, and it's too late because they got the crumbs. Okay, so and we have our Oreo cereal bowl. Can't leave home without that. We got our spoon. We got our Trader Joe's milk, because I'm a trader. I don't know. And let's go ahead and just open it up. Oh, no, it's just when I opened it, it smelled so good. Okay. Woo, boy, I have to put a line on the table. No, I have never done. I never said this was a family. So, oh, that smell. It smells just like the cookies. Oh man, who messaging me? I'm busy right now. All you people who pour the milk first and put the cereal in, you are horrible people, okay? That's not how you do it, all right? We can have a debate in the comments. You put the cereal in first. Now, when you're refilling your cereal into the milk, that's different because you're getting a second serving, so you're kind of topping it off. But at the beginning, it better be like, this is what it looks like, by the way. So, it better, got that? Let me get my face out the way a second. Oh, roaches. All right. Wow, that felt, can I eat? It's my carpet. I know. Okay, I'm gonna leave right there. You're gonna be sanitary. You're gonna have somebody in the audience like, ew, what a bad example. Shut up. Okay. I shake it. Cause the frost at the top, it just, I don't know. I don't know. I was worried that it was gonna explode right there. Okay. Actually, I have not opened a carton of milk in years. Why did I buy this? Because I know it does this stuff where it messes up the paper. I just wanted like a quart. So it's been like since I've been in school, I opened one of these. Okay, here we go. Get that. All right, just go ahead and fill that up. That's good. Put the milky milk right there. I'm actually excited. I don't really get to eat cereal much anymore, so this is a nice little treat for me on this Saturday. Or whenever I filmed it. That was weird. Why did I do that? Okay, here we go. I'm just trying to like get the. This is how I do my. Leave me alone, okay? I'm trying to get the milk in there. I'm having too much fun with this. Here, gotta make sure Oreo see this so they can be like, hey, let's give him some money. As long as I'm like this, they ain't never go. But it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. I understand. You know, I wouldn't want me promote. Be like, oh, you eat Oreos, you look like this. I know why they don't come to me. I get it. Here we go. Here's the taste test that should have happened like 2 minutes ago. Just having fun though. Here we go. All right, child. Let me 1 second. I'm sorry. It's so good. It's so good. Okay, let me be real clear. It smells like Oreos. It don't really taste like Oreos to me. You know what it tastes like? It has a consistency and a taste of Apple Jacks. That's the best one I can come up with. Let me just get another one here. Let's see. Yeah. I'm also tasting some Fruity Pebbles. Sorry, I shouldn't be talking like I'm tasting some Fruity Pebbles. Maybe my taste buds are off. That's just kind of what I'm getting. And I haven't had Fruity Pebbles in years, but I just remember the taste. One more. Can I make sure? Mmm. 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 Stuff good. That didn't even hurt that time. Can I be real with y'all? When I do these snack videos, whether it's good or not, I usually just put it away at the end because, like, I don't need to be eating that. This might be gone by this weekend, but man. What you got in here? What's my verdict? I mean, go to Walmart. You got a Walmart near you, don't you? Wow, this is some good cereal. Seriously, like, okay. I guess I'll end the video. I don't want. I would love to do a video where I remember a friend years ago, Charlie Sokulite. He did a video for 10 minutes of just sitting there eating cereal, never said a word, and it went viral. I want to do that. I just want to sit here and just keep eating. Nobody gonna watch that. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. This is a fun video for the weekend. I just wanted to share that with you. I will see you in the next video. Bye! Mmm.